Welcome back guys to another video. I'm glad that I see you in another video. Today we're gonna review and unbox. Actually this is especially an unboxing because there's nothing important to review about this product because it's a power bank and I'll just unbox it and it's like a tutorial how to use the power bank. First of all, this Belkin power bank is called the Valet charger. Belkin is a company that is specially made for power banks. They are making power banks, very good quality power banks actually. You can charge your Apple Watch up to 16 times and your iPhone up to 3 times, and it has a 10 wattage portability and 1 USB port. First of all, let's open it. The most important thing, the power is 6700 milliamp hours. When you're opening it like that, it's magnetically, but it won't open like that. First of all, we should open here. And we'll pull it downwards. There is just some paperwork here, nothing important. And this is the power bank. Let me pull it out. It's so strongly put it in. We should open it like that. You should just pull the plastic, and that's the power bank. Maybe on camera it's big, but it's actually so small. I didn't thought that this power bank is that small actually. That's the power bank. As we can see, that's the battery indicator. Click on it, and that's the USB port, and that's the micro USB port. I have an Apple Watch Series 6 here. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna review this Apple Watch and unbox it maybe in a week or two. Let's look, it's charging. You just put your Apple Watch on it and it charges very fast. And you can charge your iPhone with it too. There's the cable here. You're gonna just open this and pull out this. That's the cable. It's USB to micro USB. I think it's made for, it's USB to micro USB, or we should like it's for Samsung phones or other phones because it's USB port to micro USB. You can use it for iPhones too if you have an external cable, but like this, I told you that this charger is mostly made for Apple Watches. Look, it's charging. It's just magnetic, put it on, charges. But the magnet is not that strong, like it can slip like that. It's not the strongest, but it's good. It's saying rechargeable line battery pack. This is the place that you're putting your Apple Watch. And that's the Belkin power bank. I don't want to take your time. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you got some information about the Belkin power bank. And catch you guys in another video. Peace out.